So currently, if we look at the maternal and child health statistics in India, a woman dies in childbirth every 15 minutes, and 2 children under the age of 5 die every minute. And a lot of these lives can be saved only if women have access to timely and critical health information. So, to this end, we work with an NGO that runs a variety of mobile based programs because of the widespread use of basic mobile phones all across the country. And the program is targeted at pregnant women and new mothers. So once a woman enrolls into the program, she will receive one pre-recorded automated voice message every week, timed according to her gestational age. And the message will contain useful health information for that gestational age. And the importance of listening to these messages has been shown to have phenomenal positive impact on the health outcomes for both the mothers and the babies. For instance, 17% increase in infants with tripled birth weight at the end of the year, and 36% increase in women knowing the importance of taking iron tablets, which is critical during pregnancy. And then now, for any new woman joining the program, the model can look at her demographic data and her call listenership behaviors to predict which women are at risk of dropping off from the program and might benefit from receiving an intervention. And this way it can prioritize which women should be called this week, and it will produce a list of these women. So really it seems that the program really benefits the most marginalized women who would otherwise have the least access to such a resource. These women are benefiting the most from such an intervention.